Okay. Stop what you are doing right now, because what Google just dropped is about to completely change the game for storytellers, folktale creators, and every content creator out there who has been struggling with expensive AI video tools. And trust me, after this video, you will never look at AI video creation the same way again. And stick around, because later in this video, I am going to show you how to fix that annoying lip sync glitch that has been ruining your animations, plus a CapCut export tip that will completely transform your final output. Let us go. But before we get into all that exciting new stuff, let us quickly address something. And yes, I know most of you have already heard that Whisk is moving to Flow. I actually made a full video on that, comparing Whisk and Flow, so you know exactly what changed. Check the pinned comment if you have not seen it yet. But here is why I am bringing it up again. Because there are some of you who are still sitting on your Whisk project and haven't made a move yet. And the clock is ticking. So if you open Whisk right now, you will see a notification that says, "Thank you for being a Whisk user. Image generation and animation is moving to Flow, our new home for both image and video creation." And here's the deadline. You can still create in Whisk until April 30th, 2026. After that, it's Flow or nothing. So do not sleep on this. Now I know what you're thinking. What happens to all my existing projects? Do not panic. Google has got you covered. Here's exactly what you need to do. Once you're signed into Whisk, click on Opt-in to transfer. A notification box will pop up, and there are a few key things you need to know. First, requests are processed on a first-come, first-served basis, and it may take a few weeks, so do it now. Do not wait. Second, once your transfer begins, your data will no longer be accessible in Whisk while the process is going on. But don't worry, you can track your transfer progress directly inside Flow. And third, this is very important. Any media you create in Whisk after the transfer begins will not be transferred automatically. So make sure you move everything you want to keep before you start. Now, if you would rather just save your files to your device, simply click Download Media instead. The choice is yours. Alright, now for the part you've all been waiting for. Let me take you inside Google Flow and show you this incredible new update. So, once you are inside Flow, here is what you need to know about credits. You get 50 credits daily for free. Now, let's talk about the models. The regular VO 3.1 Fast costs 20 credits per generation. But, and this is where it gets absolutely incredible, the brand new VO 3.1 Lite only costs 10 credits per generation. That means you get up to 5 full video generations every single day, completely free. Now, let me show you how it works. I'll switch to video, upload my image, paste in my prompt, and hit generate. And here we go.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly what I've been waiting for.
Look at that. Beautiful. Lip sync on point. And just like VO 3.1 Fast, you can download at 720p. Same quality, same speed at half the cost. Google said it themselves. Do you understand what this means for folktale and storytelling creators? You can generate up to 40 seconds of lip-synced video per day, completely free. Start a project today, continue tomorrow. Before you know it, your entire folktale is done. Google is literally handing us the tools to tell our stories. Just make sure your prompts are on point. Now, a lot of you have been asking about this in the comments. The Gwen lip sync and animation glitch. You know that annoying thing where you try to animate a second image in Gwen, and instead of giving you a fresh new animation, it starts mixing it up with your previous one, giving you a completely messed up result? Here is the fix. And it is super simple. After you finish generating and downloading your first video in Gwen, delete that chat. Open a brand new chat for every new video generation. And for even better results, refresh the page before you start. That is it. Clean chat, clean result. Every single time. One more quick tip, and this one is a game changer for your final output. Now, some of you have noticed that certain AI platforms generate videos at lower qualities, sometimes as low as 480p. And when you bring that into CapCut to edit, it still looks blurry and low quality even after editing. I totally understand that frustration. But here's the good news. CapCut can fix that for you. When you're done editing and you're ready to export, simply change your resolution to 2K or 4K. CapCut will upscale your video during export, and the difference is night and day. Your videos will come out crispy, clean, and absolutely stunning, ready to post, ready to share, ready to wow your audience. So do not let low-quality AI output stop your story from looking professional. And that is it, my amazing creators. Google Flow with VO 3.1 Lite is honestly one of the biggest gifts to storytellers and folktale creators right now. 5 free lip-synced video generations every day. No excuses, no barriers, just your creativity and your stories reaching the world. If this video helped you, smash that thumbs up, share it with a fellow creator, and check the pinned comment for my full tutorial on how to use Google Flow from scratch. Now, go tell your story. The world is waiting.